before Boys and Girls Club, it was Boys Club. The years I attended John H. Harlan Boys Club was from 1974 to 1989. My community viewed Boys and Girls Club as a safe haven, a refuge. It saved my life. There were times where if I didn't make a choice between the club and the streets, I probably would have been dead. I probably would have died a long time ago or been incarcerated somewhere.
As a child, I attended the Decatur DeKalb Girls Club. And the buzzword was always Boys Club, Girls Club, what we were doing with the kids in the neighborhood. So it was more of a sense of a family.
My hardcore perception coming in is that this is a place who takes care of thousands of kids a day. It's invaluable, but that it was wasting its full potential at what it could do for kids.
Boys and Girls program right now being tailored specifically for the needs that we're facing in our educational system. They're helping kids focus on their reading, their math, and basically their comprehension and literary arts. And this is unprecedented for Boys and Girls Club.
We had great stories about how we've saved lives, but they're stories. And where you're going to stay competitive and differentiate yourself in the market is you're going to be able to prove that you've actually had impact, that what you did made a difference. In our pilot study last year, that kids who came to the club for 3, 4, or 5 days a week improved their math proficiency. 82% of them improved, where 81% also improved in reading. For kids who only came 1 or 2 times, they were only improving their literacy skills by 25% and math by 14%.
My role is to help this organization answer basically, are the clubs making a difference? How are we making that impact? And then how can we improve so that that impact is deeper on a daily basis with the kids that we serve? And to do that, you've got to start with outcomes. So as we looked at this large-scale picture of the change we wanted to take place, we had to put the systems in place to allow us to make that change. And so we made the decision to move towards ETO, or the Social Solution Product Efforts to Outcomes. That system allows us to measure who's coming in the door, how many members we have, what our members are doing in the clubs. And my favorite part of the system is that it allows us to then gather data directly from the kids themselves. And as they complete surveys online, that information is tied directly back into their record of participation in the clubs. And it's that data that will now allow us to measure most of our outcomes.
Well, continuous quality improvement isn't just the program. So this is an organizational, cultural shift. How will I know that regardless of what we're delivering at that moment in time, how will I know that it's quality delivery? First and foremost, you're looking at the kids, right? Are they having fun? But you're looking at the staff and how are the staff interacting? Is the ratio right? Do we have enough staff on hand to give quality engagement with our kids? So what we're looking at is, one, how many staff, so that's the how much piece, do we need to ensure quality? But how do we know that they're engaging in an appropriate way at the right age level, at the right time with our kids? And we have an assessment tool that does that.
So being an outcome-driven organization and moving in the direction of truly making our club experience experiential learning for all of our children, has been very strategic in its approach, and we've involved not only staff members in that so that they understand their place, but we've also involved our board members in that with our strategic planning process. We're very excited with Vision 2020, a plan for great futures. It's all about communicating what great impact is and making sure that our board members have been involved in that process, that our staff members have been involved in that process.
The big goal is that our kids walk out the door ready for a great future. If we don't do that, we're just another youth development organization that's keeping kids safe. We're going to be able to say in the next 5 to 10 years that we're doing something about the pipeline of kids who are coming out the other side, graduated, and ready to do something with their life.
I like the Boys and Girls Club because it gives me great opportunity, and when I come here, it feels like family.
Great futures.
Great futures.
Great futures.
Great futures start here.